Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The 2025 Mini 4X4 tractor is not your everyday farming companion. It's a futuristic marvel built with bold aesthetics, rugged power, and off-road dominance in mind. Drenched in a stunning pink and black dual-tone finish, this compact tractor commands attention at first glance. Its striking design is further amplified by aggressive lines, an extended wide body kit, and sharp LED lighting setups both at the front and rear. If you thought tractors couldn't be stylish, think again. From the front, the Mini 4X4 tractor boasts a custom-designed grille that is both elegant and functional, flanked by ultra-modern LED headlights and DRLs that give it a fierce, robotic look. The bold front bumper with integrated LED light bars not only adds utility but also enhances its muscular presence. The black accents around the wheel arches and bumpers contrast beautifully with the bright pink base, giving it an edgy, futuristic vibe. Moving to the sides, oversized off-road tires with deep treads make it clear that this tractor is more than just for show, it's built to conquer. Mounted on custom alloy wheels, the tractor provides excellent traction and shock absorption, whether you're maneuvering on rough terrain or soft farmland. The high ground clearance offers an added layer of versatility, making it perfect for both agricultural use and adventurous off-roading. The rear showcases custom taillights and a rugged bumper, with small yet efficient LED strips for night visibility. The design is compact, yet powerful enough to handle heavy-duty tasks. Despite its futuristic appearance, this 4X4 remains practical, with sturdy side steps, grab handles, and utility hooks built in seamlessly. Inside, while not shown in detail, it's expected to feature a high-tech control interface with digital displays, comfortable ergonomic seating, and AI-assisted navigation or auto-guidance for field operations. It's a compact machine built with both performance and flair. Whether you're a modern farmer, a utility vehicle enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates futuristic design, the 2025 Mini 4X4 tractor is an eye-catching and performance-ready innovation. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more futuristic automotive content, don't forget to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more amazing builds and reviews.